So this is some nice fresh ground. You can always tell the difference with fresh grind. This is some nice sage that we're going to mix in just for a little bit of flavor. Just put a little salt, pepper, garlic in there. SPG. And this is the chimichurri that I made without the red wine vinegar. This right out of the refrigerator. That's why the oil is like that. But I thought it would give a nice flavor in there, so I'm not going to put this spoon back in my container because we're going to be using that a little later. So then just get in here. Just kind of like making a meatball, but with that beautiful fresh ground. We don't want to massage this too much. Just enough to incorporate everything together. Up in my butcher, and they had some beautiful, 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 beautiful bacon. So I went ahead and just grabbed some of theirs. They're just gonna make kind of like a choo-choo, little choo-choo train here. And actually doing them on the smoker, I think would be good because it'll give the chance for this bacon to kind of render down. Kind of hold it together. You come here, form your little patty. Then we have skewers. I'm gonna come in here with my skewer, find the end point of the bacon, wha-cha, and come right through there. And then we're gonna take one piece here, and we're gonna come right through there. Okay, so that's it. That is your Iberico Bacon Burger Bomb. You saw these? These are the Iberico Bacon Bombs. Oh, look at it, all that's rendering down.